Lu masih 4 A gitu aja.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respectfully, Mrs. Yusti Fargianti, as the lecturer of the English for Academic Purpose course. Today, we from Group 2 would like to present the result of our discussion entitled Population Growth as a Food Security Challenge in Indonesia. Before we begin the presentation of our material, please allow our group to introduce ourselves first. First, I am Rezan Hidayat with student number ID 666-123-0004, and then Abdul Hanif Hakim with student ID number 666-123-0082. Next is Panjam Kujati with student ID number 666-123-0142. And the last, Bima Chandra Wijaya with student ID number 666-123-10173. Okay, let's get straight to it. The first material will be explained by me. The first introduction, food security is crucial aspect of Indonesian national development. Rapid population growth present complex challenge for the national food system. The study use a literature review method combined with a survey of 15 respondents to analyze the impact of population growth on food security. The main findings show that population growth puts significant pressure on the four pillars of food security: availability, food access, food utilization, and food stability. A comprehensive strategy is needed to maintain national food security. Next is Indonesian population growth. So Indonesia is experiencing significant population growth with major implication for national food security. In 2024, Indonesia population reached 218.16 million people with a growth rate of 1% per year. Projection for 2025 show an increase to 20,018.83 million people. Long-term projections show that by 2014-5, Indonesian population is expected to reach 2011 to 3011 to 3000 18 millions. This rapid population growth puts significant pressure on the availability, accessibility, and stability of the national food supply. Next is key statistic on food security. Indonesia is facing serious challenge in food security. Data show that 20 to 22 22 million Indonesians are going hungry, a figure that highlights the urgent needs to address national food issues. In addition, 13% of toddlers are at risk of malnutrition, which affect the quality of the nation's future generation. The Food Security Index show a significant disparity between regions. Bali recorded the highest the food security index at 18.7 65%, while Papua and West Papua were at the lowest. This gap indicates the need for a more evenly distributed food strategy across the archipelago. The next material will be explained by Hanif. Hanif, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Reza. Next, I will explain about the four pillars of food security. The first one is food availability. The physical availability of food in sufficient amounts and quality through domestic production, import, or national food reserves. The second one is food access, the ability of individuals and households to get enough food through purchasing food power, distribution, and adequate infrastructure. Next is food utilization, optimal use of food to meet nutritional needs through a balanced diet, sanitation, and access to health service. The last one is food stability. The availability and access to food are stable all the time, without being affected by economic, climate, or socio-political shock. Next, next is the impact of population growth on food availability. Indonesia rapid population growth is putting a lot of pressure on the availability of food. The demand for food keeps rising beyond what the country can produce, causing an imbalance between need and supply. The per capita food production ratio has been declining as the population grows, while the area of productive farmland is actually shrinking due to land being repurposed. Indonesia is become more dependent on import to meet its basic food need. Commodities like soybean, wheat, and sugar are clear example of this dependence. The situation makes the country food security vulnerable to global price fluctuation and disruption in international supply chain, threatening Indonesia food sovereignty. Next, the impact of population growth on food accessibility. Rapid population growth puts significant pressure on food accessibility in Indonesia. The rise on food price is a direct consequence of increased demand that isn't matched by adequate supply. This leads to the price basic necessities continuing to rise year after year. Low-income communities are the ones most affected by the situation. Their purchasing power keeps dropping as food prices go up, while their income doesn't increase at the same rate. As a result, access to nutritious food is becoming more and more limited for millions of Indonesian families. Okay, I will give back to Reza.
Thank you, Hanif. The next material will be explained by Panji. Panji, go ahead.
Thank you, Reza. And for the next is the impact of population growth on use. The rapid population growth puts significant pressure on food use in Indonesia. Food use includes the body's ability to absorb and make use of nutrients from the food consumed. With the increasing population, the challenge of ensuring adequate nutrition becomes more complex and requires serious attention from various parties. Indonesia is facing a triple burden of malnutrition, which includes stunting, which is still a serious problem, fasting due to acute malnutrition, overweight this is increasing in cities, and micronutrition the deficiency like anemia and vitamin A deficiency that affect a people's quality of life. Next. Next is the impact of population growth on food stability. Food stability is the fourth pillar of food security and is very vulnerable to the impacts of population growth. And an increase in population puts more pressure on the national food system, making Indonesia more susceptible to various external shocks that can disrupt the sustainable availability and distribution of food. The main vulnerability include climate shocks like El Nino and La Nina that cause crop failures, economic shocks such as fluctuation in global food price and the rupiah exchange rate, and socio-political shocks that can disrupt the food supply chain. The bigger the population, the greater the impact felt when there is disturbance in the food system. Next. The next is challenge of food security in Indonesia. For main challenge is point one conversion of farmland for use housing and industry. Point one is uneven food distribution between regions, and point three is limited production capacity. For the next challenge is the impact of urbanization. First, urbanization increase urban food demand. For point second is the disparity in the food security index between provinces. For point three is pressure on the food distribution and logistic system. This is for all for me. I give back to my friends.
Terima kasih Panji. The next material will be explained by Bima. So Bima, please go ahead.
Thanks for the time, Reza. The next is solution and opportunities facing challenge. The one is strengthening food reserve, strengthening the national food reserve system to ensure food availability in emergency and stabilize domestic market price. Next is urban farming development, encouraging urban farming to boost local food access, reduce reliance on distribution, and empower city communities. Next is agricultural intensification, improving farmland productivity through modern technology, superior seeds, and efficient irrigation system for optimal harvest. And the last is strengthening in the implementation of LP2B, enforcing the sustainable food agricultural land protection law to prevent the conversion of productive land to non-agricultural sector. Next. Next is perception survey on food security challenge. The key finding, 76% strongly agree that population growth increase food demand. 62 strongly agree that food production needs to be increased, and 62% strongly agree that population growth is a food security challenge. Survey conclusion is 70% strongly agree that the government and society must work together. The survey was conducted with 50 respondents, and the last most respondents are aware of the urgency of food security challenge in Indonesia.
Thank you, Bima. This is the conclusion. The first is key findings. Population growth is a major challenge for Indonesia food security, and increasing population puts pressure on the availability, accessibility, utilization, and stability of food. Strong energy between the government and the community is needed to face this challenge sustainability. Next is strategic recommendation from our group is strengthen the national food reserve to ensure availability, developing urban farming in city areas, uh, intense, intensifying agriculture to increase land productivity, and the next is protection agriculture land to consistent. And the last is implementation of LP2B for sustainability food security. That's all the presentation from our group. More or less, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.